Robotech VF1 Valkyrie factory. The factory floor is a symphony of chaos. Sparks fly from welding torches, the hum of machinery fills the air, and the scent of oil and metal hangs heavy. Rick Grimes, weathered but resolute, stands amidst the controlled chaos, his eyes scanning the rows of 20-foot shipping containers. Each container is a miniature factory, equipped with deployable KUKA roboforming arms and mini data center racks. Rick is talking to Dr. Lena Cross, the CEO of Iron Edge Robotics, a company known for its cutting-edge humanoid robotics. Lena is a visionary, her eyes gleaming with the same intensity as the welding sparks around them. Beside her stands Ezra Drake, the CFO, his expression a mix of determination and concern. This place is something else, Lena. You've got quite the operation here. Thanks, Rick. We're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with humanoid robotics, but it's not without its challenges. Especially after last night's attack. Those rogue synthetics and Tesla humanoids did a number on us. Rick's gaze hardens as he remembers the chaos of the previous night. He turns to Lena, his voice steady. I've seen my share of battles, Lena, but this is a different kind of war. We need to be smarter, more efficient. Lena Cross. You've got a plan? Rick nods, his mind racing with ideas drawn from his experience with the Toyota production system and Kaizen principles. We need to poke-a-yoke our defenses, make them foolproof, and we need to do it fast. Easier said than done, Rick. We're already stretched thin. Rick turns to Ezra, his voice firm but understanding. I get it, Ezra, but we can't afford to be reactive anymore. We need to be proactive, and that starts with optimizing our operations. You're right, but where do we start? Rick gestures to the shipping containers, his eyes scanning the deployable KUKA roboforming arms and the mini data center racks. We start with what we have. These containers, these arms, they're our front line. We need to make sure they're not just building robots, but building our defense. Makes sense. But we'll need more than just hardware. We'll need strategy. Rick smiles, a glint of determination in his eyes. Strategy is my specialty, Ezra, and I've got a few ideas. As they talk, the factory hums with activity. The KUKA roboforming arms move with precision, building the next generation of Robotech VF1 Valkyries in Battloid mode. The mini data center racks on the inner walls of the shipping containers glow with data, feeding information to the robotic arms. Rick's mind is a whirlwind of plans and possibilities. He knows that the road ahead is fraught with danger, but he also knows that with the right strategy and the right allies, they can turn the tide. We'll need to leverage our strengths. Your tech, my tactics. Together, we can build something unstoppable. Dr. Lena Cross. I like the way you think, Rick. Let's do this. As they shake hands, the factory around them seems to hum with newfound purpose. The battle for Madripoor is far from over, but with Rick Grimes and Iron Edge Robotics leading the charge, the future looks a little brighter. Fade out.